Hi, hello. This is Blanca. Welcome to my channel. I just have a little project. I went and bought this at the thrift store, but the zippers are broken. It's missing the little um, tag that you pull up. You use to pull up the zipper. So I'll come back. This is what I'm gonna do. I already got my other piece from another. What the hell is my zipper? So I cut up, because I don't want to go through all this trouble, I cut up this part. So I'm cutting it off. And this part I'm going to sew it by hand. All the way, all the way. This is a new zipper that I'm going to be putting on right here. This one, I am going to use the sewing machine for this part. And so it's about recycling, so I'll use this one from another jeans that I don't wear no more. Okay, so I'll come back and so hopefully this worked out.